Hi, this is Rohan Rajkumar from Hypace Studios and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how your branding can actually help you in social media marketing. So first things first, the basics. It helps you know who you really are. What is your brand's identity? What do you stand for? What makes you unique? What makes you different from your competitors, etc. Secondly, it helps you know what your actual target audience is. The demographics, their likes, dislikes, their interests, etc., their psychographics. How do they make their buying decisions? What issues do they face every day? Your branding can help you list down both of these things at one place and actually streamline your thought process. इससे क्या होगा कि you'll know who you are and what your target audience is. It will make it very easy for you to craft a messaging strategy. Exactly. What message you are going to give to your audience, what messages you are going to communicate to the audience, how that message is going to fit into their lives. Are they particularly going to be attracted to that message? Is that message going to attract them towards you? That is what branding helps you in. It helps you streamline the process. Once you have the messaging strategy in place, as simple as that, once you know what messages you're going to communicate, it helps you know what content you're going to make, right? You know the message, you know the end message that you want to communicate to the audience. Now you just need to know how creatively you're going to communicate that message to the audience. That's it. That's the what, how your branding can actually help you streamline all of this, your content, your messaging strategy, your target audience, your own brand identity. This is what your branding actually helps you out in. Now the second step is how. You know all the what's, right? Now it helps you know how you're going to do it. So it helps you know your brand's personality. You know the message that you are going to communicate. Now it helps you know how your brand is going to communicate that message to your particular target audience, or in what way, if you communicate that message, is going to have the highest turnover from your target audience. That is your brand personality. How you communicate that message. So basically what happens is we give human characteristics to your brand. This it makes it very easy for us to understand your brand personality, as well as it makes it easy for your target audience to feel connected to your brand, right? So it also helps you understand the tone and voice of your brand. This helps you know the how, your brand personality, etc. At last, your branding can also help you with the designs. So human brain remembers the visual stuff 60 times faster. The designs, the visuals, the color palettes, typefaces, etc. The human brain tends to remember that very easily. So if you have unique designs of your brand, for example, the color palettes, the typefaces, the tone of the pictures, the textures, patterns, all of that, during the branding process we create a mood board, and that mood board has all these elements inside it. So when you're creating posts for your social media, you can refer to these things like the color palettes or the typefaces or the textures. You can use any of these or all of these elements according to your requirements and create your content on social media, whether it be graphical posts, whether it be photography, videography, etc. Mood board is something which is going to be constant in your business journey, right? So that is going to help you with the designs, and that is what is going to bring you the brand consistency that you're looking out for. Visually, especially visually, the brand consistency is going to be there. So branding also helps you with the designs. So these are the three things your branding can actually help you out with. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and YouTube @HypaceInc. This is Rohan Rajkumar signing off. Thank you.